Go on YouTube, Bowman Studios. I'm back with another box break and do some Topps Finest. Obviously, there's an empty box in there since there's only 2 mini packs. Let's do. You know, we're gonna open both up. Yeah, here, let's pull a nice super refractor. Since everybody else seems to be pulling them. I'm just gonna open them both. You can usually tell which ones are the patches and stuff, so try to save those for last. And there they are right there, I think. So actually we'll put those just on the bottom. Alright, good luck. Here we go. Pack 1. Alright, these are nice looking cards too. Robert Turbin. There you go. Not a hit, but it's a nice looking card. Coby Fleener for the Colts, Atomic Refractor. And those are not numbered, but those are sick looking cards. Pretty sick looking Atomic Refractor. Rookie, Coby Fleener. So some of these have powder all over them. So if you guys get something in here that's got powder on it, I apologize. I don't know what's up with that, but whatever. Let's see if that works. Got another refractor in here. Another nice Atomic Refractor. It's going to be for the Titans, Kendall Wright Atomic Refractor. Those are really nice looking. I like those. I wouldn't mind trying to do like a set of those or something. Those are pretty sick looking. Even though they're not numbered or anything. They're actually pretty nice. And then a bunch of powder. What the hell is all over these cards? They're all powdery. I don't know if anybody's opened any of these and they're all like that or what. Sets are gay. Yeah, but when you're poor like me, man, and you can't afford stuff, you kind of shoot for anything. Got a Sam, I'm getting powder all over me. Got a Sam Bradford Finest Moments and a bunch of powdery base cards. Seriously, has anybody opened any of these? Like, are they normally like have white shit all over them? Excuse my language, white stuff. Got a Finest Moments Vincent Jackson, not numbered. Tim Tebow, and a bunch of crap all over my fingers. They do? Alright, good, because I have shit all over me. Alright. Got a not a super refractor, excuse me, just a regular refractor. That is not numbered. Of Lamar Miller rookie card. It's a nice looking card too. Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more of these, man. It's gonna be like that. Next, we got a Matt Flynn refractor for the Seahawks. Not numbered. Matt Flynn. Oh, what kind of shit is that? Got another Matt Flynn refractor. Exact same card. Another one. Right after the pack we just opened, another Matt Flynn refractor. And an Isaiah Pead rookie card. There's a Nick Foles rookie card. I actually think he's going to be really good. And got ourselves a Matt Forte refractor for the Bears. And there's the Nick Foles rookie card. Just a base rookie. Nothing huge. 4 packs left. Two hits are probably on the bottom. Got a Ruben Randall refractor and a Brandon Weeden rookie card. I'll show both of those. Regular base Brandon Weeden and a Ruben Randall. Got a Steven Jackson and a Michael Brockers. The Jackson is a refractor. Brockers. The Jackson is, holy shit. Wow, good thing that's not a hit. This Jackson is bent in half. I don't know if you guys can see that at the bottom, but it bent completely in half. There's a huge crease going across the entire bottom of the card. See that? Look at that. It goes straight all the way across, like somebody bent the whole bottom in half. So, whatever. Good thing it's not a hit. But anyway, if the Rams get that, you know why it's bent. Alright, these are our two. This is probably the patch. So, good luck. Got a Matt Flynn and a Phillip Rivers base, and here's our hit. Good luck. I'm gonna go from this way. Who is that? Oh, I know who that is. Nick Toon. Nick Toon jersey rookie auto, number 2, 1,350. Nick Toon is all over this. Excuse me, 1,368. Making sure it's not bent or anything. Looks pretty good. So the Saints on the board. Nice looking card. Nick Toon. Number 2, 1 million. Actually, number 2, 1 trillion, 333 billion, 776 million, 370,000, 900, whatever Ham put. And last one. Good luck. Give us some luck mojo or. It's a fatty. Got a Vic Ballard rookie card right on top. And here we go. Good luck. Let's go this way, actually. Ooh, Ryan Broyles. Ryan Broyles 3-color patch for the Lions again. That is number 2. Wow, are those that high numbered? Holy shit. Number to 1,500. Numbered 1271 of 1,500. I didn't think those were numbered that high. Jeez, oh Pete. Whatever. There you go. Ryan Broyles. Still a nice looking card. Nice hit. Alright, come back some more box breaks later on. Bowman Suit out.